Y'all alright? It's so good to see y'all. You're looking good. You always look good. I'm gonna do my hair. I have this. Okay. So I have this sewing in. These are 4 bundles precisely. They're from Eunice and they're like those 3 brown bundles set thing. So this is my hair, of course, up here, but I have like some black in the back. But yeah, this is what I've been working with for like a month now. So it's about that time. It was really long. I think everything was like 24 and 26 inches. So I cut about 2 kinda inch and a half off, put some heavy layers in it, real heavy, so my hair can blend even more, and it really helped it out. The curls are bouncier, things like that. I've been using this, the Taichi 1.5 barrel, and it really gives me that flowy, full blowout look. That's what I've been using, and this was so cheap, so I was like, let me just give it a shot, and I love this. Today I actually want to wand curl this. Y'all see me do wand curls a million times, and I'll link the hair down below if y'all are interested. A lot of people don't really fool with Eunice, but I just wanted to give it a shot. I just want to give it a shot because I just wanted some color, and this was like a cheaper route of finding some color, and it's cute. The curls don't hold all that well, but I got it silky and bouncy enough to where I still enjoy it. So yeah, I'm gonna go do this.
What's up? Sunday morning.
Love you.
Love you.
All right, I'm back and I'm better. So today I thought it would be cool just so I have something to talk about while I do my makeup, because I kind of need to zoom through this. It's already 8:15, so I have an hour. We're gonna answer some questions. So I'm moisturized and primed. Y'all know what I primed with already. I did add some Benefit Professional in the pores. They've been really heavy lately, especially because it's hot. And I've been using this Aura Fix Aventurine, I don't know, fixing spray from Makeup Revolution, enriched with tiger grass. Look at it. Look at the rocks. Then you shake it. Look at it. But it says fixing spray. So I did it yesterday, and like my makeup was so beautiful. And let me tell y'all something. If y'all haven't tried the Makeup by Mario foundation, man, I don't know. This thing is good. I don't know, man. But I'm gonna use that and some 368 today for my foundation. Concealer, Deep Chestnut by e.l.f. Y'all know I always use this. What is something? And I may use a little bit of Kevin Kwan. I don't really know. I just know it's gonna be hot, so I just wanna be safe. Of course, I'm gonna start with my darker Kevin Kwan in my problem area. Anywho, let's get started with the questions. This first question says, what is your current passion project? You wanna know something? Honestly, renovating my house. That is truly so fulfilling right now. Kenny and I have been like doing random stuff. Like we started, if you go back in my vlogs, like we started some stuff like flooring and things like that years ago. It was very urgent though, because the flooring we used to have in conjunction with our back door, when we bought this house, was not sealed correctly. So we went ahead and we got the door sealed correctly, and we had to change the flooring, which was just like dark wood. It's still there, but we had to take out the block in front of the back door and basically replace that with like a waterproof tile, because that's what should be by doors. I don't know. It's obvious to me, but apparently not, because they really put some wood by an unsealed door. So when it rained, it's just destroying the wood. It started to crinkle up, wet, and like you can get mold and stuff. I can't find my neutral set bed 9, so I'm gonna use some Dermablend. So yeah, I'm really enjoying renovating the house. We did outside, we did the shutters. We painted that black. We love black around here. It's like the vibes, the chic vibes. We painted our door black. We installed a keypad on our front door. Kitchen, like cabinets. We're getting a dishwasher soon. We already did the stove, and the fridge will be last because it's the most expensive. Those things are not cheap, baby. And then the one we want, like an all black fridge, like I don't know what it is, but do I have any hobbies? Fortunately, my hobbies have turned into something that I can actually make money from. So hair, makeup, styling. So that's refreshing. I want to talk about it because when I was younger, my hobbies was dancing. I wouldn't say I would give anything for those to be my hobbies, or for that to be still be a hobby of mine, because I wouldn't give anything, but I do miss dancing, and I'm about to start crying. So yeah, I miss dancing. That's all. Next. How do you like to spend your free time? Free time meaning actually have nothing to do. Okay, so I just want to make that clear. And I'm gonna be honest, I like to watch TV in my house, eat with a blanket, with my house very cold, and chill all day. Like paradise. True paradise. I like to do nothing in free time because I don't really have a lot of free time. So when I do have free time, I don't want to do anything, like at all. What kind of music are you into? Is this a serious question? I'm into everything. And when I say everything, I mean everything. And this is because of how I grew up. We have a lot of musical knowledge. And I mean, when I say we, I'm talking about me, Monique, and Michael. So it means a lot to us. So I'm into every type of music. I know I look crazy right now, y'all, but this new face routine works. Do you have any pets? Unfortunately, no, I'm just kidding. Or am I? Because y'all, my dogs get on my nerves, but I think I've shown them to y'all before. It's been a minute. I have 2 dogs. They're barely dogs. I honestly think they're human beings, but their names are Tyson and Coda. One's a Chihuahua and one is a Jack Russell Chihuahua mix. I want better for myself. That's what I'm saying. They work my nerves. And everyone loves them. And I'll just be like, why? They don't do anything for me but spend my money, and I have to clean up every day because the dirt, the filth, it's disgusting. Foundation. But I waxed my face yesterday and I wore this foundation. The buttery smoothness was amazing. What's your claim to fame? I don't have a claim to fame. Fame terrifies me. My goal in content creation is not to be famous. I do not care about being famous. I'm honestly scared of all y'all because like the internet is weird and I'm scared of all y'all. Terrified. It's just crazy that I want to make a living out of this. It's like I want people to know me. Not know me, I want you to know of me, but you will never fully know me. And that's on me. And with examples like Beyonce, the fact that I know that I could be successful in what I love and people really don't even know me truly, that is life goals. One of your favorite celebrity role models? Celebrity role model. But I don't have a celebrity role model. My role models are not celebrities. They're like normal people. That's it. I don't have celebrity role models. What is your dream job? Girl, plenty. I have lots of talents, so my dream is to just actually make my talents my job, and then one day not even work because I do enjoy design, so I would love for designing to be my dream job, but I can't honestly say my ultimate dream job would probably be like a dancer, a lot like that, because y'all aren't ready. Okay, you're not ready, but no. Like a professional dancer. Outside of that, yeah, just to really make the things that I'm good at, my passions, my career, because I'm actually fulfilled by that. How did you find out about current place/event? The current thing that's been being discussed is the whole submarine thing that went down to see the Titanic. I saw it on Shade Room, but I didn't pay it any mind really. And so I go into work and I found out about it on, I think, Yahoo News on my computer at work. Then I started talking about it with my coworker, and then we talked about it for a little bit. And I was obsessed ever since. I've followed every move, every update, because I couldn't believe it. I couldn't. Like, why are people going down there? The ship isn't it like disintegrated or something? I never understood the obsession with it. It's gone. Human bodies can't survive down there, so why are we going? We're not designed to be down there. It's not a world for us. Why are we going then? Maybe that's really one-track minded, but it's just like, if we can't survive it, if we can't breathe in it, we probably shouldn't go. Okay, sorry. If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go? I'm just going to speak for a moment, not some dream place, but like right now, where do I want to go? I want to go to Jamaica, like right now. Like that's really where I want to go. I want to go to Jamaica. At the moment, right now, that's where I would like to go. That's where I wish that I was packing a bag and going to right now. What skill would you like to master? Probably sufficiently and efficiently doing my own sew-ins or braiding my own hair in a decent amount of time so I can stop spending money on getting my hair done. Call me simple, but that's what I want. Anything to save money, that's what I want to do. What do you like to learn about? This is such a good question for me right now because I'm currently like obsessed with past times. Not even currently. I think that I've always been obsessed with it. I want to know, I always want to know what people were doing while they were living, like in the early 1900s. Or, and it's so crazy to say this because I hated social studies and history classes in school, and now I'm obsessed with history. Like, I want to know what they were doing. I want to know. And like old Hollywood stars and stuff, what people were wearing, what people were into, what music was hot, artists that were hot. I'm always interested in talking to elderly people just to find out like what their life was like and what they would do every day and how their school was. Obsessed. I just want to know what the past was like. And I think that it stems from not hating it, but I really dislike this current generation. No one's really profound in this generation. Everyone's pretty spoiled by technology and social media. No one has their own thoughts, really. They're weird. Everyone's weird. The social media age is weird. Okay. Alright, let me finish bronzing. I don't know if I'm doing an eye look, but let me do this right quick. I'll be back. Okay. Got carried away. You know what made me forget, y'all? I was watching Game of Thrones. And Game of Thrones gonna do it every time. But this is what I came up with. I'm gonna spray some of this Tiger Fix spray and some e.l.f. spray. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking these clips out. It's crazy. Wand curls make hair look so short. This hair is not short. It goes down my back. I got my hands on some more Sebastian. I went to TJ Maxx and they had them for $10.99, and I just grabbed everything, all the rest that they had, because Sebastian is like $24 a can. I don't know what it is, but the Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray is really good at making my leave out just like blend in and just, you know, stay solid. I spray that and then I just comb it into my leave out and press it down, and it just makes it just smooth right on in. So yeah, y'all, these two. I'm gonna put some Date Night lip liner right up in here. My outfit is really like bright and it's like pink and orange, so I gotta pick out some earrings right quick. Let me get my earrings. You wanted to say something?
He that believeth, he that believeth shall have an everlasting life.
Yeah.
In the Father and the Son.
Okay. How'd you sleep? Whew. It was what you needed?
I mean, God is so good to me.
Yeah, and I know that. The little, I mean, chains. Not like this. Thank y'all so much for joining me on today's video. I gotta go, though. This is so stupid. Love y'all. Bye!